my party people. Shout out to my aunties, uncles, cakeys, kids, pimps, players, hustlers, all of that good stuff. Welcome to the channel. So continued subscribers, new subscribers, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribing. All that stuff. Sometimes I do giveaways. My next big I still owe y'all one giveaway, but my next big giveaway is 10K. I'm gonna do another small one, 7.5, but my big one is at 10K. Now this shoe, I forgot about this shoe. I just completely forgot about this shoe, but I do end up having it. Shout out to the people at International Marketplace, Flight 23, aka Foot Action, for having these joints in. These are the red toe Iverson things. Y'all already know Allen Iverson, the best little man point guard, cross you up in a heartbeat that I've ever seen in my lifetime. Even though Kobe is my guy, pound for pound, Iverson was that dude with the cornrows, rolling, rocking with him ever since the days of Jordan. Now, if y'all didn't know, Iverson got a late start, right? He got arrested, had some legal problems. So I think when he got to Georgetown, he was already in his 20s. So he got a late start to his career. So again, this is a PP personal pair, size 10.5, official colorway, white, red, and these are the question mid. Suggested retail price were $150 on these things, and they sold out quick. I like what they're doing with the Iversons. And as you can see, you got the thing inside here. You got your paper. I hope this is the right one that I like to use. And yes! I'll just do that. Everybody knows me, knows red. Focus though. Red is my favorite color, and look at these things. Red toes, red toes. Give up your day job, man. Don't give up your day job. You feel me? Over. All right. Hexalite in the real nice with the red coming up. The red toes. I like the laces, the rope laces, got a nice little touch with the netting. You got your red for your Reebok right there, and you got that wrinkle stankle. I hope you can see the wrinkle stankle right over there. You got the see-through, you see, got the Hexalite with the red Reebok coming up the side. Hope I'm good. Okay, just Reebok on one side. I had a shoe that had Reebok, no Bach, but Reebok. That was crazy. That is crazy. Put on some light, it's getting pretty dark out. Now you can see me, right? Alright, so yeah, it was getting a little bit dark. You can see that. Nice. Then you come around the back, you got that question. See that question? So my thing stopped jumping. And you got the 3. And then you got your tags on, your Reebok tag, all of that stuff, your question mid, and you got your red Hexalite there. Definitely, if you're a Sixers fan, we will really appreciate this shoe. You got your QR code inside, as you can see, and then you got this laces staying in there. Suggested retail price on these joints are $150. Yep, $150. But you guys already know it's white. You know what that means, right? White socks, no black socks. White socks, no black socks. So other than that, I'll edit that out. Other than that, a very clean shoe. Let's just take this out, the other one out. Just see. Cause you know sometimes, God damn, they wrap the hell out of this paper. Sometimes they don't hook it up. God damn, this shoe all wrapped up. Okay. We don't see no discrepancies in the shoe. Looks pretty good. We got the tumble rumble. Very, very dope, in my opinion. Yep. I know I got the quarantine beard going on. That's the most beard I've ever had in my life. But like I said, on the shoe, got the white, all of that good stuff, yada yada yada. Like I said, make sure if you don't want no sock bunnies in there and piss you off and get all black in the shoe, you gotta wear some white socks. Now, the moment we all know and love, because I mean, it's pretty much a white, red, and blue shoe. I mean, it's not really much to talk about, right? Like I said, you got old stinker wrinkle. You rock with Iversons, no doubt one of the best. Like I said, pound for pound point guard, in my opinion. Not your opinion, but my opinion. Since I've been living, y'all, we can agree. You can chop in the comments, but let me see. I'm gonna give these joints I give it about a 4.8 out of 5. All right, 4.8 out of 5. All right, so the price point is pretty good. Got a lot of nostalgia. Something may throw people off because you don't like this on the toe box. Some people probably prefer it to be leather, like the blue toe, versus this suede or nubuck suede. But I actually like. I don't see any on the shoe. So you leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Do you agree or disagree about this shoe? Did you have a chance to rock this shoe, or you think it's gonna go on sale? I don't think they're gonna go on sale. They was kind of sitting though in the cut, and I just happened to look over there. So you know how you got that laser eye? Just look right on over there. Okay, I see you over there, right next to them Jordans. I said, let me get them things, man. Let me get them. I got them. So hey, it is what it is. So like I said, 4.8 out of 5. Last but not least, you can follow me on IG, on the page. We're officially live with season 5. If you can't find it, follow us on IG, Who Has the Heat, and the link is in the description box on IG. All right, so other than that, thanks for all the love and support. Peace, love. I'm about to say hair grease, but I have no more hair. I'm out. Deuces.